saw yachts.
Yeah.
And we saw a transport ship for logs and everything. And it had a construction like a tractor.
Alright, good. What do you want to get set up for fishing?
I'll start with snappers, I guess.
Alright. Eli, ven por acá.
Well, not everybody gave up crabbing. I haven't seen anybody here for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah. We always come prepared just in case. I know they're still around.
Oh, they're not going away.
So
That's good.
gotta keep it. I was actually kinda in a way hoping to get out. We go sometimes over to Guilford with a little John boat, and there's places you can just go,
Bring
go
it
along the
close.
edges and just scoop them up. But
Yeah. Yes.
my in-laws took my truck whenever I got back this morning after soccer, and I kind of rode out the boat trips.
Dad, what are those flags over there?
Alright, let's go. I'm just painting on the floor. Wrapping it up already, dude?
There's nothing in it.
Nothing. Throw it out. Cutter, throw it out. And throw it out far.
Right there. Nothing. I don't think you guys are gonna catch anything here.
Well, because you can come all the way over here and try to keep it from flying. Because I saw something. Here.
You're not gonna get anything here.
Look, there's a big even touch on those rocks. The very small one.
There's crabs here, but you're not gonna catch any with the net. Of course it's possible, but you're not gonna get them. But we're not gonna catch them this way.
Well, that was just ridiculous. We got moisture starting to stream in. We're going to be doing this for at least another hour or two, if not all night.
Are you just gonna keep giving it string?
Yep. A nice current. Has it been going out like that, or has it been coming in close?
It's been going out like that.
Asian. No claws. Asian! Oh my god, he has claws.
Put it in the bucket.
That's what it looks like, but yeah, except no, we're just gonna stop and see, and if there's nobody at the spot, at least we'll put it in and catch some mama chubs.
No, we don't need to catch mama chubs.
That was funny, huh?
Maybe he lost it.
And caught the branch?
Yeah.
That's what? That's what there?
The fish.
can we kayak through nothing because we want to go through the flood?
Yeah, can you carry this too?
Oh, okay.